Welcome to Behind the Date. Today, we're celebrating National Best Friends Day on June 8th. It's a day to appreciate and honor our closest friends who bring us joy, support, and laughter. Join us as we explore the origins, heartfelt stories, and ways to celebrate this special occasion. National Best Friends Day started in the United States and has become popular worldwide. It was created to remind us of the importance of friendship and to encourage people to cherish and celebrate their best friends. Let's learn about the history of this day and how it has become a global celebration of friendship. Friendship is a beautiful bond that touches the lives of people from all walks of life, including old people and celebrities. Let's dive into some heartwarming stories that highlighted the power of best friends. One remarkable example is the friendship between actress Audrey Hepburn and fashion designer Hubert de Givenchy. They met during the filming of the iconic movie Sabrina and instantly connected. Their friendship blossomed into a lifelong bond, with Givenchy becoming Hepburn's personal designer and creating many of her iconic looks. Their enduring friendship is a testament to the deep connection that can form between friends in the world of art and creativity. Another heartwarming story comes from the world of music. The Beatles, one of the most influential bands in history, were not only musical collaborators but also best friends. John Lennon, Paul McCartney, George Harrison, and Ringo Starr formed a tight-knit group that supported and inspired each other through their incredible journey. Their friendship brought out the best in their music and forever changed the landscape of popular culture. National Best Friends Day is a time to show gratitude and celebrate our amazing friends. We'll explore meaningful ways to commemorate this day, such as organizing surprises, creating personalized gifts, or simply spending quality time together. Let's make our best friends feel valued and appreciated. Best Friends Day is not just about individual friendships. It's also an opportunity to build a strong community and promote inclusivity. We'll discover the importance of connections, supporting each other, and spreading kindness. By fostering a culture of friendship, we can make a positive impact on the world. As we celebrate National Best Friends Day, let's take a moment to express our heartfelt appreciation for the special people in our lives. Whether near or far, our best friends bring us laughter, comfort, and support. Reach out, share a smile, and let your best friends know how much they mean to you. Remember to follow us for more heartwarming episodes of Behind the Date as we uncover stories behind each special day. Happy National Best Friends Day!